Building.
So I'm building a computer. I hit the old intro, so. So my computer lately has just been so disgusting. I swear, there's probably some dark ecosystem in it, and it's probably growing some.
So I really gotta fix that, huh? But to rebuild a computer, I kind of have to take the computer apart. So I wonder where my computer is. I should probably go get that, right? Yeah. Wait. It's right here. It's been here the whole time. Okay, that is dumb. Let's just get building, like, whoop!
I think it's time to blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Hey, so future Sam speaking here, and this thing was a pain. And did you know that past me was using just a regular screwdriver? What an idiot. He should just use like an electric screwdriver or something. So I used an electric screw. So after hours and hours unplugging and unplugging and unscrewing and crying, it was done. And now, it's time to get into the components, baby! Yeah! Also, this stuff is here. I forgot to record it. My bad. So when you put in your CPU, you need to open up the socket and
I hate this.
yeah, it's not fun. Anyways, on the actual CPU, there's this tiny gold triangle. You'll see it right about here. Anyways, you need to match that up with the triangle on the CPU socket. Okay, I gotta explain something. So this is their CPU, the central processing unit. This will act as the brain of your computer. Basically, it just absorbs all this information and tells the rest of the components what to do. So next is the RAM, or random access memory. It's the short-term memory of your computer, basically allowing you to store temporary info, like all of those stupid Chrome tabs. Just close them, please. Okay, so here we have the RAM. Right, do you see this notch? There is a matching corresponding notch. Basically, you gotta line them up and then click them in. Next up is your hard drive, or your solid state drive. Basically, they do the same thing, just different speeds. It's the permanent memory of your computer, just like how you remembered that Tommy stole your Pokemon cards when you were 6. I was only 6! All you gotta do is just screw it in with the included screw. Now that we have the motherboard done, now it's time to prep the CPU with thermal paste. It absorbs excess heat generated by the CPU. But please don't eat it. Just don't, like... Anyways, we put on the thermal paste, put on the cooler, put that all into the case. Just screw it in, and then also screw in your case fans while you're at it. Now we gotta add power to the computer, and we can do that with the power supply. It does exactly what the name is, it supplies power to your computer. And look at that, danger. So please handle this with care, please just, oh, okay. Alright, after all major components, it's cable management time. It sucks, but there's no but. It sucks. It really sucks. Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting the most important thing. The graphics card. Only the most important component in your computer. It basically allows you to see everything on your computer. It's the eyes. It's everything. It also puts a dent in your wallet. So after selling one of my kidneys, I bought the 3050. All you gotta do is really slide it into the PCIe slot, secure it with the screw, and then plug in the last cables. You're done. But what was it all for? I started thinking, why did I even bother? Why bother building this? For school? Because I needed a challenge? Because I wanted to make optimal performance? What was the whole point in me building this in the first place? There's gotta be something more. But I don't know what. Oh yeah, VR. Whoosh.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Cool, look at all these guys. My hands.
Okay, yeah, I could get used to this. Hey, let's play a game, I guess. So Among Us is basically when you find the pretend bad guy with your friends in space, but it's in VR. This is definitely not written by AI at all. No, I wouldn't resort to that. Oh, what? No, I don't want to be the host. That's annoying. Okay, maybe it's just a fluke. Oh man, are you serious? So the game's dead. My bad. Anywho.
Yo, how do I unlock this door? Oh, there we go, there we go. No, you got it. No, I locked myself in again! Okay, hold on.
Too tragic. What even am I? Sonic. That's kind of funny. Sonic. I have a sword! I don't like this one at all. Sonic. Whoa, this is a cool Sonic.
My client was assaulted.
Oh, that's crazy.
Nuh-uh.
Okay, the evidence is the bruise on my arm. Damn it. Oh wait, where are so big? What the hell? Okay, sorry.
Oh wow.
His medical. Yeah, that was great.
Ouch. That's crazy. Okay, so basically, apparently Nikki attempted to murder this man, Footman. So now
Yeah.
she is applying charges for $950,000. That's pretty crazy. Defense, I would like you to come up
Sorry,
and
goddammit.
report their opening statement.
Guilty. I plead not guilty.
Okay. That's fair.
that's all I
You
have
may
to
all sit
say.
down. Okay, that's fair. Sonic, sit down. It's already playing right now.
Dude, I'm scared.
Evidence?
I don't like
trial.
trial.
Order in the court. Order in the court, please. Come on. Everyone, be quiet. Your client has already come to consensus with the convicted.
I have a death certificate of him being a murderer.
What the f? Holy shit.
I like my.
Let me see that. Bring that.
From 1 to 11, really?
Exactly. How the
Honor.
how the
Like, it went from them
I can't put
pressing
any of
charges
this into
to,
the
like,
video. Why is the mallet on the roof? Why is the mallet on the roof?
And guess
Are
what?
you seeing the
And guess
gavel?
what?
Anyone seeing
I'm
the
just
gavel?
gonna-
Okay.
Thing. You don't even know what it is. The stenographer.
Oh.
I give up. All right, bye, buddy.
If you.
Come on, man. Shoot me. Shoot me. I'm a murderer. Come on.
Yo, what's up? How do they kill?
Bullets.
It's JoJo reference. It's JoJo reference.
Wow, so nice here. I just dropped my knife. Oh, I died. Okay. Yeah, that was a train wreck. Maybe some chess.
Sack the queen! Sack the queen! Let's make a queen sacrifice! Let's make a queen sacrifice! Come on! Come on! You ain't about it! You ain't f***ing about it! That's
Yeah, so that sucked.
We don't know who we are. It'll take 5 days by car, but we don't know where to go. And I don't know where.
Yo, how do I unlock this door? Oh, there we go, there we go. No, you got it. No, I locked myself in again. Okay, hold on. Use my fingers on the lock. Okay, can I? Okay. No, don't lock the door.